Some things look gentle, harmless, even beautiful. Yet inside your home, they quietly weaken your peace, drain your blessings, and disturb your heart. Today, we uncover 3 innocent-looking plants in your life, habits and influences that silently damage your home from within. Once you recognize them, everything changes. My brothers and sisters, our homes are supposed to be gardens of tranquility, places where hearts recharge and faith grows. But just as a garden is ruined by unnoticed weeds, our homes can be damaged by things we consider small or harmless. Let's uncover 3 innocent-looking plants that quietly destroy the atmosphere of a home. 1. The plant of uncontrolled anger. Anger often enters the home like a small seed. One moment of irritation, one harsh word, one shout, and suddenly the house feels heavy. You don't see it, but its roots spread fast. It cracks trust, dries up love, and turns rooms cold. The Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said real strength is not in overpowering someone, but in controlling anger. A single breath of patience, a pause, a silent dua. These are like placing sunlight back into the home. Without managing anger, a house slowly collapses from within. 2. The plant of constant complaining. This plant grows silently, complaining about food, complaining about money, complaining about people, complaining about life. A home filled with complaints becomes spiritually suffocating. Blessings feel smaller, joy disappears, and gratitude becomes rare. Allah tells us that if we are grateful, He will increase us. Gratitude is like a fresh breeze in the home. Complaining is like a plant that releases poison into every corner. Replace complaints with thanks and watch your home breathe again. 3. The plant of careless entertainment. Some shows, some music, some content online look harmless, just background noise. But these seemingly innocent things drift into the home, shaping hearts, normalizing sins, wasting hours, and weakening relationships. They bring unnecessary darkness, distract from prayer, and steal time that could have strengthened family bonds. The danger is subtle. A family becomes connected to screens more than to each other. Laughter fades, conversations shrink, and the home loses its soul. Cleaning this plant means choosing what nourishes your mind and guarding what enters the house. Uprooting the 3 plants. 1. Replace anger with silence and du'as. 2. Replace complaints with gratitude lists. 3. Replace harmful entertainment with beneficial reminders. When you remove these 3 plants, your home becomes lighter, kinder, and filled with sakina, peace sent by Allah. A home protected by dhikr, kindness, and gratitude becomes a place where angels gather and mercy rests. Your home doesn't collapse overnight. It weakens through tiny habits we ignore. Uproot these 3 harmful plants and plant mercy, gratitude, and mindfulness instead. Your home will bloom again, inshallah. This is Spirit Deen reminding you. Transformation begins inside your heart and inside your home. If this reminder touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe to Spirit Deen so more hearts awaken. Comment this prayer. May Allah fill my home with peace, light, and mercy. May Allah bless your household with tranquility, protect it from harm, and make it a place of happiness and barakah. Ameen.